Hi there, welcome back to another video of skin retouching, and today we'll be looking at sharpen the eyelashes and some other part like lips. So let's get started. Okay, so sharpen the images of some part requires some technique, an easy one and a short one. What you need to do is that create a new layer just above your current layer and an empty layer, and over here if you can see there is a tool dedicated to sharpen. This triangle you can see, sharpen tool. Select this, leave the mode to normal, sharpen to strength to 20%, which is default, and sample all layer selected, checked, and protect detail checked. So sample all layer means whatever you are working on this, you can it will sample from the layer below and sharpen the areas which are required, right? And protect details means your textures and smoothing which you have made or you have worked on some of the image, so that being protected and the textures being be kept intact. So before that, I just want to share one zooming tooltip tool. If you zoom in a part like in Photoshop, like if I want to work on the eye, you all know that by pressing spacebar you can move around by zooming, but if you hold H and you click on the image, you have a rapid zoom to the area where you want to zoom in again. So if I want to work on this eye, I will let it go and then again hold and click again. If I want to move to another eye, in that case you can have a view around your image also how it looks by being in middle of your processing. Okay, so let's get started with this eye. Go to sharpen tool again, leave the settings on default, and then start to sharpen. Make sure your brush size, my one is a bit high because its edge are set to smooth. So sharp this area a bit on the lower eye of this, right? Some part of I'll go down my brush size. Yeah, some part of the eyebrows, a little bit. If you want to move around the other part of eyelashes, and here you go, right? And a bit around some details of the lips if you want, but that's not necessary. This model lips are dry, so we will work this on in some other video, right? So here is, if you zoom out, you can see the difference. You can see the light images what the sharpen have made. So before and after, you see a slight change in the image. It's not that much, but you will feel it when you have done skin smoothing or eye enhancing and the textures or frequency separator. After that, in the end, it is not that necessary, but if the eyelash is required and enhancing, you can go for the sharpening, right? So this was a short video. If you like it, thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon so you can receive the video notification in the futures. Bye bye.